Once I go, I'm going, because I'm gonna come right in here. And we're gonna start with the ribs. The reason why I'm emphasizing that motion, we put one of these on the outside, shake it quickly. There's a lot going on at a contest.
You got one shot.
It can be very intimidating.
The biggest is just the timeline.
It's the method to what I call the madness.
We're basically running this on a comp timeline.
You know, I want to listen to everything that he's saying.
I've cooked 250 plus contests, 45 plus grand reserves, 2 world championships.
Ferg is so welcoming and warm.
It's one bite barbecue. And if they take one bite and they're like, eh.
If you take a class like this and you're learning the technique and stuff already, you already got a leg up on everybody else.
If you can't hit tenderness, you're not gonna win.
And the flavor profiles, I've learned quite a bit.
You gotta hit them in the mouth.
He can teach us everything here today, but it's up to you to take it home and execute it.
When you get to that point in this game and you know that, you're a dangerous team.
Just being more confident in your cook overall.
I can get out there, I can run with the big dogs.
There's been people who've taken his class, went in GC the next week, that hasn't changed a thing, you know, and that's, yeah, I'm looking forward to it for sure.
You know what that smells like? Championships.
Tell everybody about it. You know, you wanna step up your game, come check it out. It's a great class. You learn a lot.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this to somebody else.
You know, and then they see me come across the stage a few more times, I become a threat, and I like that.